How to create campaign in Mailchimp. So first open up Mailchimp and then click on create here at the top left. Next click on regular email, click on design email here. Okay, now let's wait. Okay, so here you just need to select from the three here, from scratch, basic layout, or fully designed template. You can just choose one. So if you want to start from scratch, this one. So if you want to use templates, you can just choose among the two here. So I'm just going to use the basic layout. Click on that. Okay, now just choose any of the basic layout here that you want to use. So let's say I'm going to use the minimal. Click on apply. Okay, once you're here, you need to just design this template, fill it up with your content for your campaign. And once you've done that, you can just click on save and exit here. Okay, so I have errors since I didn't change anything with the email. So I'm just going to click on save and exit. But for you, once you've edited this template, you won't see any errors like this. Okay, so click on save and exit. Now once you're here, you just need to fill in all the details here, who you're going to send this to, then of course from this is you, and then the subject, add your subject here, and then a preview text, and then send time, either you want to send it now or you want to schedule it for later. You can decide that. And then here, just don't mind this since I didn't these are the errors since I didn't really edit the template. Okay, so once you've done all of this, you can just click on send here and you're done. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.